Hey everyone, I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys how you're going to be doing your color at home. First, I do want to show you what you're going to get in your kit when I drop it off. Some of you are going to have your color already pre-mixed once I drop it off at the door because you have customized color, and some of you are going to have a tube of color and some peroxide in a little to-go container that you'll just squeeze out and mix up yourself. I'll show you that in a little bit. But you others that I said I would drop off at the door already pre-mixed, I'll show you what you're going to do. You're going to get a color wipe. This is to remove all of the excess color that stains your skin. Okay, some of us have really porous skin and it really soaks up that color, so that's your color wipe. You're gonna get a brush. You can get your own gloves, a bowl, and of course your color and developer. So I'm going to start by showing you how I do my color. I use like a little base around my hairline. At home I use Vaseline. Of course at the salon I would use a little bit of a thicker product, but if you have some kind of Vaseline or texture wax or something, you can just go around your hairline with that. So I just kind of use like that much, and this is my mirror, so oh, look at that, guys, I got gray too. So I'm just gonna go around my hairline. And I cover like right in the back of the ear here too. You can even put it on your ear so it doesn't get all over your ear. Here and here, okay? All right, so there is my little base there so that it doesn't stain my skin. It's a tube of color. You're going to use 2 ounces of color, whoops, and you just squeeze. The measurements are on the side of the color, so it's super easy. It's not hard to squeeze the color out. Right. Pour in your peroxide. You see that there? Mix it really well. I hope everybody's doing good. I miss you all. Can't wait to get back into the salon, doing hair and just kind of being back in my element and listening to all of your stories and everything going on with y'all. And I hope y'all are staying safe and not getting sick or getting out too much. I'm not going to show you how I color all of my entire head because you should get the gist of it. Otherwise, this would be a really long video. But now I'm putting on my gloves. And I want to show you, a little bit goes a long way. You don't want to saturate the brush with color, okay? You just want to, gonna show you, okay? Just kind of scoop up a little bit. You see that right there? And you'll want to be in front of a mirror. I always start around the hairline first because that is where I'll show you again. Pick some up. See? We're gonna go all the way around our hairline. And you've got your Vaseline, so be sure you're in front of a mirror so you can do you see how you can see that I've covered? You don't want it so thin that you don't have your coverage. My hair is already naturally parted, so I'm just going to go with my part. Okay, so here I am taking a little more. See? And you're gonna want to, I'm gonna start on, looks like the right side to you, or the left side. And I go like so. Apply to the root only. And a little on that side. You take the end of your color brush. You want to go back, separate the hair. See that? Scoop up some color. And then I go here. And whatever is left, I just kind of paint on that side because you've got color on the other side of that. So it's saturating it no matter what. You don't want to go forward with the tip of your brush because then you'll get color streaks all down your forehead. So it's best that you go back, taking probably about 1/8 of an inch of sections. Okay, scooping up my color. You guys, I really needed this too. One-eighth of an inch of a section. Scoop up and brush up. Okay, I'm going to go through this a little bit faster so that I can show you what we're going to do with the back. Okay, you're going to pull up. See how I did that? Get your hair. Just grab what's above the stick. Separate that. In the mirror, you'll be able to see your regrowth line like you can see mine. So I know exactly where to paint and not to go any further. If you go a little bit over it, that's not a big deal. It's okay this time. I really try not to whenever I do your color at the salon. But since you're at home, you gotta make it work. And then pick up the last section by the ear. Okay, there's our one section down. I'm not gonna do this side yet because I just wanna kind of give you an idea of how to do the back. This is just what I do when I do my color at home. So you're going to kind of have to improvise and really